Hello everyone? Do we have some viewer around? What is happening? Did I finally break the internet? I think it has been the longest intro I ever made. Hello Slider Spy, Joseph, Sun Spring World. Guys, how are you doing? Holliswood, Greka, Osva, The One Crufix, Bisou Bisou, what's up boys and girls? Listen, I need to do one more thing. I'm really sorry about the late, but I need to do one more thing. Okay? So, stay tuned. I'm a little bit late. I wrote a message just earlier. Everything is fine, okay? I will be back. Woo! Et voilà. Et voilà, voilà. Oh. Okay. I'm doing fine, Sunrise. Thanks for asking, dude. Looking forward to the stream? Nice, dude. Yeah, this is not my best haircut, but no problem. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to one of my stream. Today we're gonna do something special. Today I'm gonna start with CachyOS, do some benchmark. Okay, French install CachyOS, like I installed it last night. And when we take all the measures, then we're gonna move to Tuxedo and try this distro, like having an overall, like, you know, overview of the distro, and then jump into gaming like I do all the time. And yes, this is what it's gonna be about for this stream. Hey, thank you, Slider Spy. Is this a Minecraft stream? Not this time. We have the deep pixelization, yes. Et salut Horizon Sama. Hello. The wife calls you to be late. No, it's me. It's on me, dude. It's on me. Look at this. Today I'm just late. I'm just behind. Like I have to say it. I'm behind on everything. So yeah, I'm sorry about that, guys. Hey, hello Oswald. You look like me? Nice. You should be looking good, I guess. Pluto Mix Delirium, salutations camarade Air Max. Salutations. Hello Hardy. Does Tuxedo use Snap? I have no idea, Mr. Very Smart. I have no idea what I signed for again. So I don't know if you saw my last video, but I make a little like react video about a video from Nick from the Linux experiment. I didn't script it. I just went and talked, right? I think I think I could have done better, chat. I think I could have done better. But anyways, in this stream, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna kind of like back up what I was saying in the video, which was mainly that there is a difference between gaming distro and non-gaming distro. So I don't know if Tuxedo is gonna be the best distro to show that up, but we're gonna try. All right, chat. That's the idea. I honestly know nothing about Tuxedo, so this will be fun. Yeah, same. I think doing a Meet or Zorin stream where you install new NVIDIA driver and maybe kernel for new people, as a lot of people start with those distro. So Fezi, I made a stream about Mint, I think it was 3 or 4 weeks ago. And we literally start from a base Mint and we optimized it to the top of the game. I also have a full series, I think it's 5 video or 6 video about Mint, like just Mint and how to switch from Windows to Linux. So hopefully, like the YouTuber, the viewer on YouTube, when they look at video for, switching from Windows to Linux, they're gonna find this series. I know I might be redoing it with the next release of Linux Mint, because the next release of Linux Mint is gonna be huge, right? It's gonna be a big game changer, so I'm gonna have to definitively cover that. But I don't want to get into it before they release, their new like big number. Do you like Cosmic Desktop? So I tried Pop OS and I'm not a fan of it. All right, so let's see if everything is well connected there. Ooh. Oh. What is in the next Mint release? Pipewire, for example. Like there is huge upgrade coming on for Mint. So yeah, I would like to start on this one, and also like because of the cycle release, right? My video will be more evergreen. I don't know if you know this term, but the idea is like when you put a video on YouTube, you want to make sure that this video is gonna live longer than just, like 10 days. You want it to be still true, like maybe months or even years if you can, after you release it. Like that, it still make and add value to the viewer, right? So if I make a big tutorial on a distro which is gonna be upgraded with massive improvement and massive like changes, like 1 or 2 months later, it just kills the purpose of doing it. I don't know if it makes sense, but Since, thank you very much for the super chat. OMG, thank you very much, dude. Much appreciated. Did you hear that Linux Tech Tip is going to do a Linux V2 challenge? Yeah, so someone came on my Discord and told me that. Was like, hey, yeah. Something might happen because they discussed about it, but they didn't validate it yet. I think that Emily, that's her name, said to the team and Linus that there were huge improvements on the NVIDIA side, and it might be like the good timing to try again. I still believe it's a little bit early. I would love them to, you know, do it when Wayland and NVIDIA is officially fixed, right? Because I don't think they're gonna be installing CachyOS, dude. I don't think they're gonna be installing CachyOS. Okay, so this is my new session of Cachy. I'm just going to check that there is nothing like funky going on there. Hey, since I don't know how to pronounce your name, like, thank you very much, okay, dude? For your support, I really appreciate it. Thanks a lot. Airmax, have you had a chance to test out Hyperland on CachyOS fully? Fart. So one thing, guys, is the stream working correctly? Like, just to make sure, because today I made some changes for us not to have the pixelization going on. So I want to make sure everything is okay. Hello? Yes, it is. Okay, guys. I was like, what the heck? Okay. I was like, are we lost? Okay. So, what I was saying. Yes. So this is good. This is a brand new installation of CachyOS. Gonna have to mount my hard drive. Yes. So this should be fine. We're gonna go in 140 Hz if possible. Yes. Yeah, because I saw you said it froze, and I was like, okay, like if it's like freezing, I might need to do something. So please let me know if we have any issue related to the stream, okay, chat? So let's go back to what we were saying before. I would just love Linus to do the Linux challenge a little bit later, just to make sure that Wayland and NVIDIA is fixed. Okay, I don't think he run an AMD card. I think he run an NVIDIA card. So I will be great. Like, literally, I think it would be the best. But he needs a little bit of iron out for his usage and for, like, you know, what we are actually doing on our end on Fedora, Arch, CachyOS, like, you know, tweaking is not required anymore to move forward, right? Ever since I found your channel, I went with CachyOS. It's a distro I never knew existed, and it's perfect for me. Hey, nice turntable. I appreciate it. That's good. Have you had a chance to test out Hyperland on CachyOS fully? Fart. Okay, so Terminal, I've seen your message, I think it was yesterday, on the chat. And here is my thought about Hyperland and why I did not do it today. Okay? So, the issue I have with Hyperland is that I can install Hyperland, obviously, no problem. I can install the driver on Hyperland. But WL root, which is the equivalent of, like, you know, kwin on KDE. I don't know the exact term, but this is the application which is supposed to render everything on screen, has not been patched yet with explicit sync. Which means that the little testing I've done, Hyperland is gonna work, but it won't have the full, like, explicit sync features implemented in it yet, as I understand it. Okay, I don't think it has been patched yet. So I was like, am I going to stream that and create content around the fact which is not ready yet, right? I thought it would be. It is not. The dev has over priority, no problem. So we're gonna be patient. Because imagine, like, you know, I start to be, you know, critic, but it's related to the patch, which is not there. It wouldn't make sense. Is it possible to test the performance of CachyOS in-game on Plasma 6.1 beta? Yes, we could, but yeah, it's too niche now. I don't think a lot of you guys are gonna take the risk to switch to Plasma 6.1 beta. So I'm not going that far. Hey Max, you should try Garuda Dragon Eyes again. They developed it a lot and it runs super fast. And gaming is also great. Okay, Steve, I'm gonna give it a try. It's in my plan, but yeah, it's in my plan. Hello, Kennedy Valente. Hey, Kaizen. I came here just to say thank you for your content regarding gaming on Linux. Thank you to your video. I managed to find the distro that fits me the best, and transition from Windows was a lot smoother. Welcome to the crew, buddy. La crème de la crème, papa. I tried Tux a little while ago, but it was a bit bloated for my liking, so I went somewhere else. Okay. I use Cinnamon on Manjaro, and I switched to the new 555 driver, but on Wayland I get black screen. Yeah. I don't even believe that Cinnamon... I don't know. I don't think Cinnamon is fully, officially supporting Wayland yet. I know they were working on it, but I'm not sure it's there yet. Okay, guys. Yes. All right, so here is what we're going to do. We're going to take notes. I have my little paper there. It's actually huge, but... Oh. So what do we have here? We have a 4090 RTX 5950X. We are running Wayland on a CachyOS board. Okay, that's the kernel I'm using right now with CachyOS. This is the one that gives me the best performance out of the box with this version. So my hardware, this is what I like the best. And yeah, nothing else. I installed it yesterday. And here is what we're going to do, chat. Super important. I'm going to write all the results of our benchmark on a paper. Okay? So I'm going to say Cachy here. Well, actually, no, not on a paper. I know what I'm going to do. Wait. Oh la la. What am I doing? We're in 2024. Like, what am I doing, chat? Up. File. CachyOS versus Tuxedo. Thank you. Cachy. Alors, plus. Can you make that bigger? CachyOS. First one. CS go. Okay, so. Here we are. The game we're going to be testing, I'm going to be just focusing on the... I'm going to do all of them, but I added a new one from a suggestion on my Discord. Counter-Strike Source now has a specific map for benchmark. And I tried it. It's actually awesome, okay? So we're going to do that, and then I'm going to read chat. I'm late. Sorry, guys. But now we're going to incorporate Counter-Strike 2 in the bench. All right, chat? Let's go. Let's thank Microsoft for their stubbornness in making their operating system full of spyware, pestware, and ads. Linux will gain popularity and maybe hardware vendor will better support it. I think you've said everything, dude. I don't even know what to say about that. I didn't make a video about it. Because I was like... I've been saying that for 2 years. Actually, almost 3 years now. Should I make a video again about it? So I think it's good to destroy like their last recall spyware, but yeah, I don't know, man. Maybe I should do one. Old one coder, what's up, dude? You just made me back home. With the 5.5.5 beta and Kwin explicit, it feels so good to be back home. And for now, it is good. Not very fast, but so much better than the mess it was. Nice, dude. Enjoy. Enjoy. And Overwatch 5.5.5 beta and explicit sync, everything butter smooth. Welcome to the team, dude. This is awesome, huh? Écrire en anglais avec un clavier français. Ah, yeah, no problem, man. No worries. Isn't Bohr default on Cachy? So that's a good question. The one default on Cachy is Bohr plus sked-axt, which is super promising. But for whatever reason, I made some tests yesterday. It just worked a little bit less than on my the simple Bohr. So I went with simple Bohr. You're going old school, this is what you are doing? Yes. CS2 is great for measuring kernel optimization on a single core CPU. Is it? I'm not sure. Like, I looked at it, I'm not sure it's the best to measure the actual performance, but we'll see. It's a first. There is no problem at all with disabling recall. Hey, RD. Like, there were so many things we were supposed to just, like, disable, like Cortana, you remember? Or think about Microsoft Edge. Try to uninstall Microsoft Edge from Windows. Good luck, buddy. Good luck, buddy. Good luck, dude. I can't wait for the Windows 11 was better community when Windows 12 drop. Hello, Victor. I think market share of Linux will be slowly growing after Win 10 will lose support. Yeah. I think it's gonna take time, right? But what happened with NVIDIA, in my opinion, is and Wayland is a game changer. We just need to spread the word, because I'm sure there is a lot of users out there who still believe that Linux is bad, where it's not. Like, it's actually awesome. Hello, Kennedy. Do you know how to install LaTeX on Arch Linux? I never heard about LaTeX. I heard about LaTeX, but I'm pretty sure it's not the same one, dude. Hey, bro, how are you? Salut, Camille. I'm doing great. What about you? Do you have a setup with AMD GPU? No, I don't. I need to buy AMD GPU. Maybe next release of GPU, I'm gonna buy both a 5090 and the high-end AMG. Like, I'm gonna go crazy, I believe. Listen, oh, by the way, guys, I need to tell you something. I'm talking a lot since we arrived, I'm sorry, but I need to tell you that. I want to say thank you, guys. I want to say thank you because the number of views on the channels for the last, like, month and a half has been, like, exploding. Like, and it keep going up. I don't create more content. I don't do crazy stuff, but it's just like, it goes crazy. So I want to thank you for that. Okay, like, this is good. So continue to do what you are doing. Like, please give the thumbs up. Give because it's working. Like, we are going into the algorithm. So I want to thank you again for that. This is just crazy. It's hard to do bench CS2 properly as a main perf hog from other people actually running around and doing stuff on the server. Stutter on YouTube? Guys, can you confirm we are having a stutter on YouTube? That sucks. So there, I believe it's just related to the platform. Or your browser, I don't know. But, yeah. That sucks. Because the issue with YouTube is like when I'm pushing content towards YouTube, is they transcode it anyways. So what I've done, I lower the settings and... Oh, okay, no, guys. Okay, I know what you meant. Guys, give me 1 second. Okay, I know exactly what our buddy Cami said. Give me 1 second, chat. The stream is gonna stop. We're gonna come back. No worries, okay? Just sit on your seat. Put your seat belt, okay? I'm gonna stop the stream and come back. It's gonna be really short. Okay, so we're gonna rerun the benchmark anyways, just to make sure everything is fine. Please let me know when we are back. So what is happening right now is that I changed some setting on the encoder of the stream, and the settings are not exactly where I want to be. So we're gonna have to trick it. I'm testing AV1 right now on Linux, and it looks like it's struggling a little. So we're gonna redo the benchmark. So this is a map, solo map, and it's really intended to bench, right? It's not going to give you exactly the performance you are going to get while playing the game. Don't dream. Okay, like I think we had like 500 something, and more in game, I'm more around like 400, like in real game scenario, which is fine. But this is more like a pure bench approach, and some user, again on my Discord, notice this map and share it with me. And I have to say, like, this is really good. So let's do it again, guys.
Remember, this isn't the killing house anymore. This is real life. Let's roll.
Joseph, thank you very much. Thank you very much for the super chat. Thank you very much for your support, dude. Much appreciated. Okay, I think we don't have any issue related to rendering and encoding now. So we shouldn't have massive like lag or stutter, okay? GG, oi oi, hello French baguette. Hey, what's up, buddy? You wanna taste my baguette? This is what you mean? I know someone's gonna be happy about that. Hey, Danazelo, what's up, buddy? You miss me? Thanks, dude. Miss you too. Yeah, I'm looking at my OBS right now, and we don't have any frame skipped because of encoding and rendering lag. We should be fine. How much does the gaming chair contribute to FPS and low 1%? 0. For the little story, dude, I won a ton of games on a laptop. Listen, dude, on a laptop while streaming from a laptop. Listen, this is a true story. So on a laptop, streaming on a laptop, on an IKEA chair. I don't even think they sell it by the piece. Like the IKEA chair I had was, you know, one of those chairs you buy by 4 when you buy a wood table. Okay. And on a table, which was not even a table, it was like a piece of like thing from IKEA that are like $5 and 4 little feet. I'm not even kidding, dude. Camille, what you can do too is like, I'm gonna redo this test just for science. Check if it works on Twitch. Seems like more stuttery, but maybe it's the game. Yeah, it could be the game too. There is a lot of things going on, right? So, yeah. Baby? Oh, look who is here. Oh, but she's left. Okay. She's gone. Alright, so, what are we doing now? Victor, thank you very much for the super chat. Jude, you guys are going crazy. Thank you very much. Thanks a lot. Appreciate it. Hey, no worries, man. Whatever you give, I'm thankful for it. Thank you very much, dude. Appreciate it. So, here is the story. Here at the end, this is your average here, and this is your minimum lows. Okay, your 1%. P1, they call it P1 for whatever reason. I can't zoom, but let's say it's around like the first one was what, 528? And this is 210. Okay? And my settings, I'm gonna share it with you guys. What I do, I go in advanced there, and I go low. So this is low. Okay, and I disable like FSR. Okay, like I don't like FSR, dude. So no, I don't want FSR. That's all. Simple as that. So we are in 1440p, etc., etc. And yeah, that's the story. And I have also NVIDIA Reflex Low Latency. So something really important, guys. Now NVIDIA Reflex is supported in Counter-Strike 2, which is awesome. It was an update like maybe 5 days or 3 whatever day ago. So this is really good. Go full screen. Yeah, it doesn't do anything, I notice. Alright, so another one. Kaizen, GTK all, guys, thank you very much. OMG. Guys, thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. So I can tell how much, I'm gonna be honest with you, I can tell how much money you're giving me, but I want to say thank you. Okay? Whatever the amount, I'm really thankful. Like, thank you very much, guys. Thanks a lot. Got the 555 driver set up. Holy sh... Thank you for your feedback, Joe. Feels good, huh? 555 feels absolutely beautiful. I'm gonna have to try on CachyOS later on. Currently move to Cachy, given it's running per default there. Yes. Quad feed. What's up? I've been watching a lot of your video on YouTube. I didn't even know I wasn't subscribed. The live show up on my feed. Hello? Hey, welcome, dude. I've seen the Flying Dutchman too in the chat. What's up, buddy? And we have another super chat from Chris. Chris, thank you very much, dude. Oh my gosh. I think 10 euro is about $500. Yeah, man, I wish. I wish, dude. Same as YouTube. Maybe it's your PC. Maybe. Guys, thank you very much for the support. You guys are awesome. Like, I don't know how to say it, but you're the best. La crème de la crème. So, when I was streaming on Twitch, if someone became a member of the community, you know, because you have this subscribe button on Twitch, you have the same on YouTube too, to have access to the emote, special access on Discord, which is not there yet, but like it will happen one day. I would say, welcome to la crème de la crème club. Okay? That was my thing. So, yeah. La crème de la crème club, papa. Alright, so we got some kind of like same number all around. I would say 500 FPS. So I'm gonna write the latest one, Jude. So CS:GO 500, I guess, average, and 200, 210, 200, what was it? 200, allez. 200, Jude. That should be enough. This is good. Now we're gonna jump into... Oh no, I'm making a mistake, chat! Oh, dude, I'm making a huge mistake. You see, I'm so hyped. Guys, I'm making a huge mistake. We can't test on Wayland. We have to test on X11, and you know why? Because I don't even know if I can install the Wayland explicit patch on Tuxedo, and I don't want to do it. Dude, that's the thing. Okay. We're gonna restart. Sorry, guys. Big mistake. Fortunately, I know it now. What I was thinking, chat? The heck am I doing? Unsubscribe, this is unforgivable. No! Don't leave! No! Also, small note on my side. I don't know if I'm being lucky, but every game works great on my machine. Almost every game didn't need any change of Proton version. That is awesome. To say the least. I've been running through some number lately. VAT pops in my head. But will your result be comparable if you use X11, Tuxedo, and over Wayland? So this is the thing. On Tuxedo, what I'm trying to observe is that what is your experience out of the box, right? This is really what I'm trying to do with all those reviews, because the truth is, like, if you know what you are doing, you can get to exactly the same level as CachyOS. It won't be easy, but you can do it, right? So this is the experience out of the box I'm actually judging. And out of the box, obviously, Tuxedo is not going to support NVIDIA 555 plus explicit Wayland, I believe. This is the idea, okay? So now we are on X11. Good. Steam, papa. And same player, play again. Hey, salut Ekara, what's up, buddy? How are you doing? Okay, so you're gonna get flashed again. I'm sorry, chat. Does Cachy come with explicit sync patch? Yes. Like, to give you an idea, the story about Cachy and the 555, it was like that. Cachy already patched Kwin. Cachy already patched Mesa. Because what they do is they take the normal version and then they apply the patch when they compile their packages on their repo. Okay, long story short. And so I was outside and I got the news that the 555 were out. So I sent a message on the Discord of CachyOS. Like, Peter got it in less than, I would say, like 5 minutes to 10 minutes. Drivers were available to download and try on Cachy. So it was literally like the reaction time was between the driver going out and us testing it was less than 30 minutes. So if you want to be cutting edge, you know, this is a place. But you know what it means, cutting edge. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't work. So, you know, sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't work. That's a game with cutting, rolling edge, cutting edge. Oh, you're right. Good you caught you it early. This is why we respect you. Thank you, dude. Wouldn't it make sense to do a test with each of X11 and Wayland on Cachy? No, we're gonna just do X11. I don't know to force it, dude. TVP and gaming right now. Your punishment, eat a baguette with nothing on it. No butter, no jam, nothing. I actually love that. Danazelo. I just wish I had like really good baguette to eat here in Canada. I found some, but they're really expensive. And downgrade to 527. What? Tuxedo is still on 527? Darn. Tuxedo is based on Debian? Oh, really? I thought it was Ubuntu. Yeah, you're right. Are you trying to trick me? Mine, I played Black Mesa plus Proton on CachyOS, even better experience than on Windows. Yes. He has a bunch of up-to-date, including KDE 6, according to DistroWatch at least. Ah! So maybe we're gonna be on KDE 6? Okay, so we good. Are even 555 in Tuxedo? No, I don't think they are. Okay, so this is fun. We have a little bit less FPS average there than interesting, no chat? What do you think? So I'm gonna write it no problemo, la mano. Allez hop. So 480 apparently, and how much? 2.5. Okay, thank you for your feedback, Camille. And it does it on... Just to be super clear. It does it on Twitch too? Okay, yeah, so there is nothing I can do. There is nothing I can do, bud. Wait, chat, we're gonna do something. Give me 1 second, just to make sure everything is fine. Yeah, there is nothing I can do. I'm thinking about what I can do. There is nothing I can do. It's gonna be like that. Sorry if it's stuttery while doing the bench. That sucks, but there is nothing I can do yet. I'm gonna have to do more tests with my second PC to stream. Okay? Interesting. So you do lose FPS going to X11. It looks like it. Yeah. Don't forget it's a native game. Okay? So that could be one of the reasons. Might be the compositor. So in this case, what is happening? The comp is off. So let me check. Yeah, it was off. In this case, when you start a game, at least Counter-Strike 2, like the compositor is off. Okay. So no, that's our result. And I know sometimes result can be illogical, but this is what it is. So we have to take it like that. Okay. Cyberpunk. Let's go, Papa. Just to be clear, Camille and Dice, the benchmark itself, even on my screen, doesn't look good. It's one of those benchmark, you know. It run, but it look weird, you know. It look fuzzy. It look sometimes like stuttery. It look like that. Okay, it's not like the type of benchmark you would have on let's say Cyberpunk, for example. Isn't Wayland supposed to have better FPS, or maybe that's only with AMG? Man, it's so complicated. I couldn't answer this question, okay? So let me explain. So wait. You see, on, off. So it's off. Alright, chat. CS to use X Wayland unless you manually change it to use Wayland by default, which at least on AMD give a little bit more FPS. So you can do that. So this is why it's such a tough question to answer. Like the Wayland and with NVIDIA, it's a pain, dude. I don't think I'm gonna answer this question. But long story short, I'm doing the right thing here. Okay, we just have to test those games in those conditions and do it the same way on Tuxedo. I do believe the driver right now, the 555s, they don't have a full support for Wayland directly. Okay, so it's not something I can do. So you have a lot of limiting factor related to the driver while running on Wayland. Now, is Wayland supposed to be faster than X11? On paper, yes. But you will see there is a lot of like variable in the middle that make it not work as good sometimes. Right? And those are related to the development of obviously explicit sync, but also the development of the driver. I hope it makes sense, right? Full Wayland is for 560. Yeah, I think so, yeah. They said, if I remember correctly, they couldn't push it. And there is something related to Vulkan, so like there is something else. Yes, Mr. Very Smart. So, is it stuttery, guys? Okay, 168.2. And minimal 128.8. 128.8. Alright, chat? Seems smooth? Okay. Maybe it's also something related to the connection in France. I remember when I was in France and I was using Free. Free is one of the best provider in France. They were limiting the the stream speed on Twitch and YouTube, but it was years ago, so maybe they changed it yet. But I remember I was a pain. Yeah, 168. What? Oh my god, dude! What am I doing? Dude! You guys are the best. I don't test Overwatch, I know it's working really well. Let's do a Shadow of the Tomb Raider. I'm gonna take my cheese, it's gonna help. Hopefully. I see all those technical questions and I'm trying to answer them in my head before answering to you guys. And obviously I'm bugging. I see some little stutter, but maybe I'm too sensible. Yeah, maybe that. I don't know, dude. I have zero issue now for the encoding and rendering lab, whatever. So it could be a lot of things. It could be the server, but you know, it's not the server because Twitch, there is no server like going through. So if you still see them on Twitch, it's something else. Maybe something on your end, bud. I hate to be that guy. Okay, so 1440p. Alright. And we go highest. Okay. 1440p, highest, and everything default. Let's go. And now is the question. The question we are all waiting for. Is the dude wearing a pants? Man, what am I doing? What's happening to my channel, dude? Cheers, everyone. Ah, so for me, it will be no pants. I'm team no pants. You don't see it now, but I'm team no pants. Oh! Man, I'm so uncomfortable those days. We have a lot of pants in the chat. One skirt, apparently. No pants plus 10 FPS. The boost we were all waiting for. Dude, everybody's pants. Oh, we are like two no pants here. Joseph, Kenny, and me. Okay. Alright, let's see. I need to set up some type of poll. You know, like that it will appear and stuff. It will be so good. Okay, bro. My chair is really comfortable, okay? I think last night I didn't sleep well. And I kind of like block my under part. And kind of like feel weird the morning, you know what I mean? So this is the moment we have been waiting for to see how it compares to Nick's result. Yeah. I still need to install Tuxedo, okay? Like, we are just doing the test for Cachy right now. I wanted to have them all in the video. To have an IG, chat. Maybe I'm gonna prove wrong myself. You know? The game actually looks so good and we get this much FPS. Whatever happened to modern games? Yeah. We are destroying it, dude. And we are on Linux. X11. Okay. More no pants, more no pants. Alright, chat. Ta-da, ta-da-da. Can I see from here? Wait, I never checked. Oh! He has a pant! Actually, he has a skirt! I saw it, dude, you can see it! I'm pretty sure you can see it on stream. I was able to see it before! We need to make sure that we say it before the bench start. Skirt. So, War 1. First one to say it. Slider Spy. Slider Spy got us. GG. GG everyone. So we are at 298 FPS. 298 FPS. And 278 minimal. Look at this. GPU bound 35%. Guys, what a time to be alive. So those drivers, they actually, I think they're pretty good, chat, huh? 298, 278. Boom! Bro, normally we're at what, like 269, no, in the minimum? I did say skirt, you not see? You did it. Yeah, I saw it, but I said the 101 is the one who said it first. And it was Slider Spy. And that's right, Zero, you said skirt too. But I just went up, you know what I mean? Are we doing average / mean? Yeah, we are doing both. Because I noticed too that sometimes average is better on optimized distro. So I know some of you guys are new to the channel, okay? But what I do every week now, I grab a distro that some of the viewers mentioned. I go on it and I game on it and I bench on it. And we compare it to the baseline we had like before, okay? Or the baseline I have. And what I'm doing now in this video, I just want to set up the baseline before installing Tuxedo. Because I want to have everything in the same video. Does it make sense? But normally I don't do that. I know what are the FPS. I know it's 170 here. This is my first round. So that's new for me. But this, it's always been the same. 160, like 170, 125 kind of. And here it's more around like 290, yeah, 290, 300, and 270 here. Okay. All right. So we did everything. Anyway, everything is trimmed. So if we need to go back, we can just go back. No problemo. So those are the bench. Okay. I'm just going to do what I like to do here with Valheim. I go to my little spot and I check the number of FPS and see how fluid it is. So obviously I know that it's super fluid, but I'm going to do it again just for you to see it. Okay. You need to test some OG nerdy distro like Gentoo or Linux from scratch. Man, you don't want to torture me. Like, I don't want to test them on stream, especially like those two one, because the compile time is gonna be stupid. I don't want to make a 10-hour stream. And it's not like I don't like to stay with you guys. I like to stay with you. But the video won't be like great for people who come after, right? Like, who is going to watch by himself 10 hours of stream? Okay, so we are... That's funny because with those driver and Kwin... Oh, no. Oh, yeah, no, okay. I say nothing. So here, normally I'm around like... Yeah, 400. I'm a little bit under here. And here I go around 600. So 580 here. 590, 600, you see? So I just catch the highest one, okay? And here I'm around like 480, 500. Voilà, okay, so I know it. I know it by heart. Okay, it's always the same thing. So here 500, here around 600, and here when I look there around 400, okay? But as you can see, I have a huge effect, light effect right now, so I think it kind of like doesn't help. Okay. And the fluidity, dude. Yeah, feels fine. So now it's funny because on Wayland it feels better now. So it's not like there is input lag there. There is none, but it feel, don't know how to explain, feel lighter. Okay, we out. You have a 5950X, the compile time will be in milliseconds. Dude, I wish. I wish. Xero, thank you very much for the super chat. Guys, you are legend. Like, what is happening? Xero, thank you very much, dude. Thanks. Thanks for your generosity. I appreciate it. So, we got the idea there. Now what I'm gonna do, we're gonna boot on Tuxedo and we're gonna try to install, because maybe I won't be able to install it. This could be the funny part. That could be the funny part. Let's pretend everything's gonna be fine, chat. Okay, let's pretend everything's gonna be fine. That's the plan. So I don't know if you noticed. So one more thing, because before we take off there. This is CachyOS, but this is CachyOS without any CachyOS packages, like CachyOS theming, CachyOS whatever. I want you to try it. So I have all the gaming pack. I have, like, this distro is ready to go right now, and I only have like 1300 packages there. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make a video. I'm gonna make a series of video on CachyOS to show you some stuff, okay? And I have a surprise for you also coming up for CachyOS. I hope you're gonna love it. But yes, I'm gonna make a series of video for CachyOS, like I did for Mint, just to explain stuff. Okay, that's all I want you to say, chat. Okay. All right, chat. Let's reboot. So I'm booting on my Vantoy key, and we should have Tuxedo OS 3 from the 15th of May, I'm guessing. This is the latest one I could find. Tuxedo live mode and install. Yes. Man, I hope Nick from the Linux XP answer you. I love his video. Yeah, same, dude. Yeah, I try to be as constructive as I could, because I really like the guy. But I would see, maybe he didn't even see the video, did? You know? Welcome to Tuxedo setup. Okay, that's cool. Yes. English, US, international with that key. So show me that. Yes. Okay, we're gonna go X11. Weird that it gave us this in the install. So this is the first time I ever installed that, chat. Oh, we go with this one. I would love to choose my disk. Like, please don't erase my over disk. I need it. Uh-oh. Oh, now I get what he's doing. Okay, why not? So encrypted or standard? We'll go standard. Why do you want to choose your disk? I don't know. I think that would be cool, you know? Okay, you have some option. 1 terabyte. So cache is gonna go out. Air Max. Tux. By the way. Too simplistic? Hey, dude. That's the password they use at the NASA. I know it. Bro. It's not too simplistic. It's really nice. It's working for them, I guess. So we stay on X11. Okay. Should be fine. Password 123, easy peasy. I like to give you the option. Yeah, it's the first time I think I encountered that. It's pretty dope. You tested it in a VM and you liked it? Okay, Osva, nice. On a serious note, has anyone ever tried XFS? Yeah, XFS is solid. I think, if I remember correctly, Zero could give you some feedback about XFS. Hello, Frederic. What's up? Guys, cheers. May the caffeine be with you. Hey, hello Adam, sorry I didn't see you earlier. I use fake Tux, by the way. Exactly, he's not fat. He's not fat, he's thick. That's what I want to hear, dude. Oh, you did, Frederic? Nice. Congratulations, dude. Finally jump back in my Linux journey with Endeavour OS and Windows 11 VM with a pass-through for work. Nice, dude. FeekOS. Dude, FeekOS would be such a good name. Imagine. What are you using? I'm using FeekOS, dude. Pretty thick. That's one of the thick Tux boys. Okay, we'll get there, dude. Come on. So it's installing. We'll see. Like, I'm really impatient to test it. See the version of the kernel, see everything, right? On their website, I'm gonna go on their website after. So it's done. Okay. Goodbye, Fick. Bro, he did not recognize my CachyBro install. I hope he did not erase my over UEFI partition. Okay, Airmax, password. Yes. All right. I'll put the right settings. So the colors, they are interesting. It's kind of like clear, but like purpley, orangey, pinky. And yes, this is KDE6, dude. This is KDE6. I'm gonna go dark chat because that's my style. Okay, so I won't touch that too much, and I'm gonna make sure we are not going... Okay, so energy saving is off. Good. Okay, that I like the fact it's off by default, but... One second, chat. Install NeoFetch. Pinky, orangey. Is it bad? Did I say something bad? Hey, see you, Joe. Thanks for passing by. So it's running a 6.5 kernel. Okay. Sorry, Jay, I always forget. Why does NeoFetch need... I don't know. Okay, he doesn't like the dist upgrade, so we are not going a dist upgrade. He doesn't like a dist upgraded. KDE D5? What is this? Okay, so I'm not going to do that. All right, so you see, it's Jamie. So Jamie is based on Ubuntu. Okay, that's what it is. Not sure. Thank you for the follow. You like the Tuxedo logo? Okay, so we are on the 550 driver. And we are on 6.5 kernel. What are those? Tuxedo Control Center. Okay. Oh, okay. This is where... So I'm guessing this is related to their hardware. Right? I think this is related to their hardware. Which is fine. We can still use the distro, okay? But I'm guessing maybe there is some type of... like something going on. In terms of update, improvement, whatever, related to the hardware. All right, so I can do the update. We'll see what happens. Worst case scenario, we'll install chat. Yeah, that's why it's the same name as their product. Yeah, makes sense. But you see, Pop OS is different, right? Hello, Icon. Hey, thank you. Thank you for telling me how to use sudo. Appreciate it, man. NeoFetch is installed by default and show a different logo. What? Should have checked if it was installed by default. Anyways. Like, if it was installed, we shouldn't have been able to install it. Or am I crazy? Mike? Something seems odd. Okay, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna install Steam. Oh, that's good. Okay, so he had also the 32-bit dependency and stuff. Seems like a lot, but okay. Guys, I have a confession to make. I need to move to fast fetch from Neo. Can one get a cool theme to fast fetch? So Cypher, there is a really nice GitHub repo with like ton of fast fetch theme. Let me find it for you. Oh no. Okay, sorry. Nobody saw that, alright, chat? GitHub fast fetch theme. Okay, and from there, what did I see this one? Like it's like man, maybe he removed it. I should have man, there were literally a repo with only theme. It was so good, dude. It was so good. Okay, we're gonna reboot and we're gonna launch the benchmark, chat. Oh, man, I should have forked it. It was so good, this big repo with so many like nice fast thread theme. Oh, how many entry did they do? Like, yeah, I don't think you can share link on the stream, Xero. So maybe just, I don't know, search for Xero. Hey, good luck, Adam. Thanks for watching, buddy. Yeah, like just testing it like that, I can tell like it's not a bad distro, dude. The installation was clean. Obviously, like it's a little bit bloated because it's Tuxedo, right? So it's related to the hardware, but it doesn't mean like it's like bad, you know? Yeah, it's not bad. There is not a lot. So I know some of you guys are gonna be, oh, it's already too much, which is fair. But it's not. It could be worse. That's what I'm trying to explain. You could have snap. So I don't know if you noticed. I went to Discover and I checked. It doesn't look like there is any snap there, dude. Which is great. Tell that to a Gentoo user, it will have an aneurysm. Okay, bon. Yes. So what kernel? It looks like it's a custom kernel. It's a 6.5 kernel. So what is the LTS right now? I don't think it's a 5. Or is it? I don't even remember. I thought the new LTS was the 6.6, no? I don't even know. I don't remember, dude. Maybe it's a LTS kernel. We're gonna check if we can get a better kernel, but again, I want to do the experience out of the box, right? Hello, Rain84. What's up, buddy? So I'm gonna log in into Steam, do my stuff. Yeah, 6.6. Okay, so it's odd, no? Their Plasma 6 is working good, like. All right. We are on Steam. I'm gonna set it up real quick. Gonna redo everything, like always, chat. So I do that private because there is my Steam numbers there. I don't want to share that. Okay. So I was talking about the latest LTS kernel, okay? So the LTS kernel is 6.6 and they are using a 6.5. So it's definitively something customized. That's what I think. Like, it's not like why would they stay on this kernel if they don't do something specific on it, right? Okay. So what do we start with? Allez, let's do CS2, I guess. Hello, Zero. Okay, now we're gonna start to have the joke about the network. Good job, guys. 0.0.0 feels like home. Yeah, multiple plays at home. Multiple one. Settings, I guess. I don't think it changed them, but so full screen, apply. Yes, it did change them. Okay, so I know this might not be looking super good, but it's just for science. So I want to be honest, I don't really believe in this benchmark. I think there is a lot of thing going on right now with this game, but I just want to do it, you know, for saying we are doing it. Kubuntu does not install NVIDIA out-of-the-box driver. That's true. There is a little like nice stuff. Nice little option in the menu they did in Kubuntu. But yeah, I know your eyes. So yeah, I know. Like, as I think this video is just a little bit too crazy for the encoder. Like, this is just a little bit too crazy, dude. And there is a lot of flash. So sorry about that, dude. I'm telling you straight, I think we're gonna have a straight story really soon. Yeah. So 406 average and 181 minimum. Tuxedo 3. CS2. 106, 181. Right? Yeah. Bon. Donc ça veut dire... What does it mean? What does it mean, boys? So we went from... So we're gonna do something simple, okay? We're gonna start from the optimized. No, we're gonna start with... Sorry, we're gonna start with this one to the optimized, okay? So minus... No, sorry, this is how I want to do it. My bad, chat. Minus 1673 percent and 205 181. %43 difference. All right, Cyberpunk. Cyberpunk, here we come. But on your end, it does not stutter. On my end, on my screen, yeah, it does stutter. I told you, like, this benchmark, I think is pushing like so hard that everything is a little bit shaky, right? It's not really stutter. It's more like the image is not stable. It's like blah 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 blah. It's not stutter. Like, stutter would be like it run and then it's like and then it start again, right? Here, like, the way I feel it is more like that. What's the point of learning this thing in school if the future we are gonna go to a website like this anyway? Bro. The website is perfect because I just copy and paste. I don't even need to use my little hand, you know? Yeah, this was not microstutter. It was something else. So we don't have sound because I didn't set it up. It's okay. We don't need the sound. Like, it's not going to impact of the performance, like graphical performance. Up, gameplay, benchmark, up. So I don't even look at the settings because they are saved because I'm using an external hard drive. Let's see how it goes, boys and girls. None of them are being run with game mode. No, we don't do game mode. For example, like game mode is not really compatible with CachyOS, right? You start from the get-go that, you know, but you just try it, okay? Like we just see like where we are at without like tweaking or anything. Here, I think we're gonna have the same amount of FPS, but we'll see the lower, right? We'll see, chat. Like normally, I should get like 169, something like that. This one seems pretty high, which is great. And we don't have stutter, so it's good. What I do believe deep down is that this kernel is already optimized. That's what I think. But see, you see? So we were at 169 on the other one, something like that. Now here we're at 162. 162, like what? Like 0.2. Okay. And the minimum 119. 119. So, magic website, especially for Dana Zelo. So I want to tell you, I know how to do that, huh? With my little hand and my little head. And 7.9% difference on the minimal. Okay, that was fun. No way, Zero. Wayland 555 driver on a GTX 1080 plus explicit patch, 45% increase on your end? Are you kidding me, dude? Wow. That's awesome, buddy. Like 45%, it's a lot. I use game mode to prioritize my Vcache CCG on a 79X 3G. Okay, this is, I agree with you, Masterpix. So you see, this is a trick. If you use game mode, obviously, like, it's another story, right? I think not every user is gonna have to do that, because if you have this type of CPU, it's kind of a requirement, right? But I would say for the average user, would just install something and play. Like, this is the result, dude. At least this is my result. Okay, let's go on Tomb Raider. You see, I didn't want to do that in the video because I already proved it. Like, I proved it, and that's why I'm so confident doing it here. There is a difference, right? Now, let's say you don't care. Well, it's good. I'm not judging anyone to say if they care or if they don't care, right? But saying there is no difference, in my opinion, is not right. And that's why in this video I was trying to explain like what could be the limitation, right? And you know, and to be fair, like this distro is doing pretty fine, huh? Because we have the driver installed, out of the box. Like the installation was super smooth. It seemed like a good distro to me. Right? Oh, pants? Okay, pants or no pants? Okay, you need to start now, guys. No pants, skirt, pants. Okay, so we already have like a solid selection here. When will the patch for Hyperland come out? I don't know, man. Just be patient. We have to be patient. Booty short? In this game, booty short? What? What are we talking about? What the okay, man, okay. I feel like this booty shorts come from the art. He's like, I want a booty short now. I want it now, boys. A booty short. Oh man, I have the image in my head now of a booty short. Bon. I like booty. Okay. I stop there, boys. Don't go too far, please. Dude, we have a solid team here, huh? I think we have a really solid team here. I'm telling you, Chad. We have a solid team. So, listen, what happened normally on Tomb Raider, we see the minimum low really low. Okay, like the average would be kind of the same, like 290, 300, but the lows, for whatever reason, they are way lower. So we will see, chat. It seems like it's running not bad, huh? Like, there is no visible stutter right now. I'm gonna make my test in Valheim and Overwatch, obviously, but it seemed correct. Okay, so wait, I'm gonna check. Oh. What do we have? I couldn't see, dude. I think I saw it as a no pants, but no pants, dude. Joseph won. Joseph won, dude. Number 1 on no pants. Nice try, everyone. We were gonna have to tell him, like, he actually won. Shadow of the Tomb Raider went from 40 FPS to 75 FPS on X11. Okay, so you see here is the thing. That's why I believe it's tweaked. Because you see the low here is actually super high. Let's go, no pen gang. Yes, no pen gang. So for whatever reason, you see, with this distro, I'm less GPU bound. Okay. My minimum FPS are pretty high. And this was one of my points, chat. I don't think... I think this kernel is tweaked. So it's not a basic distro. I don't know if it makes sense, but it's not... Listen to me. The kernel number doesn't follow the actual like kernel like numerotation, the actual one. So it's not a LTS. It's not the latest kernel. It's a 6.5 out of nowhere. It's obviously patched, right? Because the minimum FPS we have here is really high. Okay? So it's kind of like in the in-between. Like it's optimized, but is it really well optimized? I will let you judge of that. But here's the result. So 286. So 286. And 270. Okay. So what do we get here? My website, yes. %, 4.1. Okay. And here we get 278, 270. 2.91%. Okay, so we got the result, chat. They said in their website that they modify the Linux kernel. Yeah. Like this is definitively... So let's go on their website. Tuxedo. Linux OS, yes. And again, I've nothing against those guys. Don't get me wrong. That's not the point of like bashing them or bashing Nick or whatever. Like it's not the point. Like I'm not against anything, right? I'm just sharing my experience, my feedback. I give you the number, then everybody can do whatever they want with them. Okay, it's here, yeah. Modify Linux kernel. Optimized for Tuxedo hardware. Did you install 555 on Tuxedo? No, I did not. Curious how their optimization differ from Cachy. So do they have GitHub or something? Okay, so this is where they have everything, dude. Look at those. Like they have commit. They literally have commit from like 6 days ago on the kernel. Which is fine, right? Like it's fine. But is it a base distro? I don't know, bro. To me, it's not. And for memory, dude. Okay, let's just to be super clear, dude. Hey, hello, Lorenz. Just joined the stream. Was busy day at work. How was the stream going? Stream is doing really, really well. And as we say, we're gonna start with a little bit of context. So to me, this will be more like a basic type of experience. If we go with like a Kubuntu, for example. So let's see how much FPS we got there. So yeah, you see here, we still got a 269. So it was not bad too. Like it was kind of the same. Okay, I thought it would be lower. Maybe it was on Fedora. Like I remember one of the big one, the FPS were lower. Oh, it was on Ubuntu maybe. Yeah, it was on Ubuntu. Here we had 232. You don't see it here, but we are at 232 here. Okay, so it was just on Ubuntu and not Kubuntu. My bad. Important. But here the result is like... So 16% on CS2, but this one... I'm not sure about it. This one, I will take it with a grain of salt. Okay? Because this is a new one I just put in the mix. I'm not sure. Alright? Here it's decent. It's decent. Did you use Team Snap on Ubuntu? The first time I tried to install it, I used Snap, but the game were not even launching, so... You know? What would be a base distro? Doesn't everybody patch eventually? Yeah, they would. That's a good point. But this one, maybe it's more patch. I don't know. And here we have the number, right? Like, so, with, again, this distro, this is what it is. Maybe I should trying to remember... Because when I tried Ubuntu, there is overfactor, right? It was GNOME versus KDE2. I could maybe play. So it wouldn't be a fair comparison. I'm thinking out loud with you guys, okay? Kubuntu seems decent enough. Problem with Kubuntu is like when I started Overwatch, I talk about it in the video. My FPS has some like every like 1 second, 1.5 seconds, my FPS will go down. Boom, doom. I was really odd. So yes, Kubuntu, no thanks. Was it playable? Of course it was playable. Like, you know. This is what I want you guys to think, kind of like me. We are benchmarking distro, okay? And we are benchmarking performance. We all have preferences, you know? I love Debian, for example. But Debian, out of the box, it's kind of a pain, dude. Does it perform? Of course it does. But, you know, try to install KDE 6 plus the NVIDIA driver, like the latest one, plus explicit sync 30 minutes after release on Debian. Like, try. Hey, hello Rover, what's up? I think Fedora too, like, Fedora didn't have a good... And we're gonna check Fedora after. But you got my point. Yeah, since remember, it was Fedora with lower FPS. Okay, good point. So right now we are compiling the shader, so it's gonna take a little bit of time. Okay, so we are at 100%, so it shouldn't activate anything. Yeah, we are good. Okay. Right now I'm at 48 FPS, dude. So here I have 600 FPS everywhere else. Okay, didn't activate, deactivate the compo, now it's deactivated for sure. Something is odd. I shouldn't have 48 FPS. Okay, I'm gonna restart it, okay? And that's why also you need to try other games, right? To have like some type of a good idea of this type of issue, right? So which Linux are you using daily for gaming? I've been using CachyOS and Arch-based distro for 3 years now. I started with Manjaro. I broke it after like 3 days. It was 3 years ago. Then I moved to Endeavor OS and I stayed like 1 year and a half on it. It was great. And then I was tired of it, so I was like, oh, let's try something else. I moved to Garuda for like 6 months. And then I switched to CachyOS when like it started. I wouldn't say it was popular. Like it was kind of like taking a little bit of a push. And I've been on Cachy for 7 months now. 7 install, huh? Like when I install it, I stay on it, and if there is a problem, I fixed it. I don't reinstall it. And yes, and on the side, what I have 3 SSD. So 2 are Linux and 1 is Windows. And I'm planning to destroy the Windows like in the coming days or weeks, because I don't use it anymore. I use Bohr kernel on Fedora 40 and it worked very well for Helldiver. Yes. Yeah, it's a good one. Benny2AM. You can install CachyOS on Fedora 40 through Copar, yes. So for some reason, when I tried, no 3D accelerated software will work. Oh, interesting. Yeah, and the thing is, like, with Fedora, I don't know the distro enough to debug. $50 FPS, even on my Ryzen, I have more FPS. I know, dude. Something is really bad and wrong on this, but I don't know why. It could be a regression of Proton. I don't think it's the case. I should have tried it before erasing Cachy. We can still reinstall Cachy real quick, but something is wrong with this distro, or something is wrong with. So let me check. We're gonna install that quick. Is it the app image? Yes. Okay, so app image. Okay, I put it executable. Bro. Oh. I'm tired today, guys. What's new? So do you recommend CachyOS on laptop? I can't really make any recommendation to our laptop. For the simple reason is that I don't own one. I can't tell how good it is on a laptop. I don't see why it would not be good. Right? I use it on my streaming PC over there, and I'm totally confident on the fact that it's going to work. But the thing is, like, I'm also confident about the fact that I know how to solve the issue if issue come up. You know what I mean? So that's another thing to take in consideration. It's still an Arch-based distro, so if you have problem, well, you need to know how to get out of them. Can make game benchmark to compare between CachyOS and Garuda. Yeah, we could do that. I told you, like, I'm planning to give another round to Garuda. Okay, let's try again. I'm wondering if it's not a Proton issue, dude. I can't blame the distro for that. It looks like it's a Proton issue for whatever reason. TKG, come save us. So this is another issue you could have on basic distro where, you know, their main goal is not to game. Their goal is to just run a desktop, which is fine. But you can be in those situations where you don't know why you have a problem and you need to debug. Doesn't mean like you won't have this type of problem on a Buzzite or, you know, Fedora, Nobara, sorry. But still, when it comes to gaming, those ones are more ready to go. There is more thing being done towards them, and you don't have to do that. So I know a lot of us like to think like we know how to do it. And it's cool, we know how to do it. But do you want to do it? You know, it's like, I know how to install Arch through the command line. But do I really want to do it? No. No. I don't want to do it, dude. You know, maybe to prove you like how good I am, how I can read a wiki, you know? Or prove it to myself, but I don't need to do it, really. Maybe I have some packages missing too. Sorry, chat. Yeah, something is going on with the game. That sucks. I would have loved to see how this baby run, you know? Can you test PUBG? No, I don't want to test PUBG, brother. I let someone else do it for me. Is it Steam Flatpak? No, that's a normal version of Steam. That's why I'm like, you know? Something is off. Yeah, something is not doing well there. I don't know what it is. So 385, 390. Normally we are around 400 there. Okay, not bad. Here we're gonna reach 600. If we see 601, we should be fine. If we don't reach 600, you know, it means we are a little bit under. So yeah, we are a little bit under there. It's not bad. Okay, like don't get me wrong. Like, can you game on that? Obviously, you can game on that, right? But from a pure like performance, well, it's not the same, right? Like here it's 500. Oh, almost. Yeah. Okay. Okay, like here we're good. On this one we are good. So obviously this is not a real benchmark, but it kind of gives you the idea, right? The sense of like where we are at. And, you know, most of the viewers are gonna be like, I don't care if I have 400 or 380 or whatever, which is fine, you know? It's like, do you care going do your grocery shopping with I don't know, a Twingo or I don't know, a Clio? You know, it's brand car. Like it's two small car in France. Do you care? No. Are they the same? No, they're not the same. Can they do the same purpose? Yes. But they're not the same. Right? Okay. I don't know what to say about this distro. Like, it's the first time Tomb Raider doesn't work like that. Sorry, Overwatch doesn't work like that. This is really odd, chat. Here is what we're gonna do. I'm gonna reboot on my main CachyOS distro, and I'm gonna launch the game, and we'll see what happens. Okay, chat? Because I want to make sure that it's related to Proton and not related to the distro. Does it make sense? There is nothing really exciting about about Tuxedo, dude. It just works. Right? Like, we installed it, everything was fine, the drivers are there. Except that Overwatch doesn't launch. I need to check how they actually load the module. To me, this distro only makes sense if you have a Tuxedo hardware. That's a good point. I agree, dude. I do agree. So give me 1 second. I'm on my desktop right now. Just for you to see. Woohoo! Looking good. This is my main operating system. I'm gonna launch Overwatch because I have it installed all the time, believe it or not. I'm gonna check I launch it with the latest Proton experimental. Nice wallpaper, thank you, buddy. It's a picture of me thinking. Top of my house. My cat took it. My cat took the picture, dude. On top of the city, you know? Yeah, so it's something else, chat. Something else because I just launched it. On my CachyOS. And it works.
Cheers, love. It's time to save the world.
So there is something else. So this distro, I think what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna talk about it, but I think what you guys are saying, and especially you, Slider Spy, I think it makes a lot of sense. I think this is the type of distro I will really only use on a Tuxedo computer. right? So right now, the shaders are compiling, that's why we're waiting, and then the FPS are gonna go to 600, and everything is gonna be fine. It might be caused from the upgrade you did earlier. I checked, like the upgrade I did earlier, whether I did the desktop upgrade or the normal upgrade, it's working the same, right? I can check the packages, you can see, because what I did, like, I did look the number of packages upgraded, like being upgradable between my first try and the second try, and they look the same. So it's not my fault. I don't think I break it. There is something going on with this game. Maybe there is some packages missing. Maybe... I don't know. Something is happening. I'm still gonna do the review of the distro, I think. We're gonna go... Okay, it's done now. Alright, so... Yeah, so you see those FPS? They don't move, chat. Like, it's locked. Boom. On a 7-month hold installation.
Having a rough time.
Ha, you scared? Okay, dude, yeah, there is something going on with the distro. That sucks. Maybe another argument, right? Cause yeah, I can't really even take conclusion out of that. I'm thinking out loud right now. No, driver is not a problem. Cause I made some tests with the old driver and I had no issue at all. So does that not mean that both of the tests you are trying to rebut what? And your tests are invalid unless the Linux experiment was on a Tuxedo server? Oh no, it doesn't mean that at all. It just means that I can test. What it means I can't really test the frame pacing on this hardware. This is what it means. Because I like to do it on Overwatch. We have another game we can do. My tests are super valid. You can see right away on Counter-Strike, we have a big increase in terms of performance. While on CachyOS, you can see on Shadow of the Tomb Raider and Cyberpunk, there is like 7% and 4% increase. So there is an increase, right? While using a gaming distro. Now, if you think that 7% is nothing, you know, like everybody can do whatever they want with the result, right? I think here it's not a problem related to the fact I'm not using Tux hardware. think it's related to the way they package Steam. Like something is odd there. Maybe I'm forgetting packages. I don't know. Let me check something. I have an idea. GitHub, Lutris, wiki, install, Steam. No, there is a lot of like runtime you're supposed to play with. It's been a long time. I didn't do that. This should be incorporated in the Steam packages with all the dependency, like everything should be fine, but yeah, you see this one, add architecture i386, but I've seen the packages being installed. Okay, just allez, for science, dude. At this point. But it's still like it should be working normally, not at 40 FPS. Like something is happening. Maybe try a newer driver and kernel. I don't want to fix it this way, right? The whole purpose of this test was to use Tuxedo out of the box, right? That was the whole idea, right, chat? This is what it was all about. So now, you know, if I start to do my Tuxedo version of Tuxedo, it's not Tuxedo anymore. That's what I'm trying to explain. I still believe this is not a base distro, dude. That's all. That's what I believe. Maybe, you know, it's a heavily modified distro for their hardware, whatever hardware they have. It's not a good base distro, in my opinion. Like if I had to do like this start, and that's why what I think I would have done it against a Fedora, for example, right? Fedora versus Nobara versus Buzzite. Now it makes sense. And now you can see between a base Fedora, how it performs versus a Fedora like optimized, pimped. Right? This is the idea. In my opinion. Okay, and that's what I mentioned in the third point of the video. That's what I would have done. So, let's try again. So I was working with Proton Experimental on my thing. So I tried the borderless and window mode. Is it using nouveau or proprietary? Bro, I hope it's using the proprietary. Yeah, it's running on my driver there. You see it, Overwatch. So it's running on proprietary. Yeah, it's weird, that's for sure. Okay, now we are stuck at 42 FPS. Something is odd. So, yeah. So that's another one, right? For you. That's another one. So again, I don't want to blame anything, anyone. That's just the experience here. I don't think I did anything wrong. I don't believe I did. So we're going to try another game. Wait. I have an idea. We're going to install BattleBit. I'm not giving up, chat. "40 FPS is good. I cannot get 60. That from time sweet spot." Yes. You could try precompiled shader maybe? No, it doesn't work with my NVIDIA card. The thing, Ton Neo, is like, if it's working on one and not working on the other one, I don't want to debug the second one, because it means that something is wrong with it, you know? And really, I don't want to do this stream about debugging Tuxedo on my hardware, because I believe like it's way more than a base distro. Way more, dude. And we don't know. Like I just touched the surface there. I need to go into the file. I need to see. I need to go into the code. Like I don't want to do that, man. Like it's not worth it. Anybody's time. Right? Okay. If you need to debug, a new user will distro up. That's right. And I don't think the goal of Tuxedo is to create the perfect OS for everyone. I don't think they care about it. I think their goal is to create a really good OS for their implementation, their hardware, like their product, which is fair, right? That's why I would have loved to have a distro which is not optimized for hardware, because we don't know, you know, like you can test like here's my point, and then I stop. You can test 4 distros which are all optimized and say, oh no, the optimized distros, they don't add value added. They're all optimized, so you didn't compare it toward the base one. That was the point. Whether they're optimized for specific hardware or like they are. Okay, English. Yes. You know, and when I was thinking about Tuxedo itself, like, yeah, you can tell, like, this is for the hardware. So video, vertical sync, no thanks, maximum 1400. Apply, and I think there is a button somewhere to see FPS. Where are you? Show FPS, yes. All right. Is it this one? Yeah, it's this one. So here I have like 650 FPS normally. Yeah, we're on Ultra, huh? Ultra. Allez, 630. Let's see if this bug. No, it seems smooth. Hey, yo, Temet. Yeah, I'm doing better, buddy. I'm doing better. So, yeah. The pacing seemed really nice, dude. So that's a question. Can you game on this? Of course you can. Are you gonna put a little bit of performance behind? Yes. Now the question is like, is it really important for you? That's the thing. Right? I think this is how we're gonna conclude this little stream. Because I don't really know what to say, chat. We got the number. We got the experience there. Okay, so here is the story, chat. Here is the full story for you, dude. We tested CachyOS. And we tested 3 games. Counter-Strike 2, Cyberpunk, Shadow of the Tomb Raider. There is one more, like there is Valheim and Overwatch 2 we launch, no problem, no stutter, everything like super smooth, okay? The results are here. Then we installed Tuxedo, I don't know. We installed like the thick, the thick penguin distribution, okay? And here are the results. So CS2, same settings, 406, so we lose like 16%. And 12%. So here, I would say, I'm not sure. Okay, like I want to be honest, I'm not sure about those results. I will take them with a grain of salt. Okay, I will take them off with a grain of salt. But also they could be representative because this benchmark is really pushy on the hardware. Even my screen, like it look weird when you go through the benchmark. It's the first time I ever used it. I don't know if I can use it as a reference. Okay, like I honestly don't know. But you can see like the minimal, there is 12% difference, which is still big. Okay. Then we move to Cyberpunk. And Cyberpunk, we lost like 3 and 3.6% on the average, but 8% on the minimal, right? Which is definitively something. And now, Shadow of the Tomb Raider, 4% on average and 3% on the minimal. So it's 8 FPS and I don't know, like 12 FPS. Is it important for you? This is a real question, right? It's like, do you really care? Is that something which seem, game breaking? So I've been gaming on really low end hardware, mostly. If I take all my history of gaming, I'm telling you, I never like it started to be really expensive hardware for the last like 5 or 6 years. I never had this type of hardware. Okay, I had more like really more modest hardware. I was happy about it. So that's the trick, right? It's like, does it count for you? To me, it does count, right? When it comes to analyzing the performance, it does count because, 1 equal not 2, right? This is what I'm trying to explain here. That's the first point, okay? So then, like, you make your own decision, but there I can tell there is a difference. How does Tuxedo compare to Ubuntu? It's kind of the same result we had in Shadow of the Tomb Raider. What is your opinion on the distro? It's a pretty good distro. I would say heavily customized Ubuntu. They don't have Snap. The installer is fun. NVIDIA drivers are there out of the box, which is cool. Okay, the second point towards the distro, it's so customized that Overwatch 2 doesn't start. This is how I'm gonna word it. Okay, something is wrong. So maybe it's my fault. Maybe I did not install the right package, but I just installed Steam. I changed the version of Proton. The game launched, but I'm running at 40 FPS. Right? So, again, I don't know how to really go with this, but what I would say is that something is funky with the distro. I don't want to debug it. I thought it was Proton, but I did try it again on my main installation, like just before. And everything works fine with Proton Experimental, so it's not that, it's something else. There is something funky going on there. In terms of FPS on Valheim, and because I did try another game, what was the other game? BattleBit Remastered. I think we are a little bit under to what we are getting on CachyOS. Again, not that bad, totally playable. It's really smooth. Yeah. Okay. I think what I would have loved there is more like testing against a Fedora. So let me show you the video of Fedora. So Fedora, we're gonna check. I don't want to install Fedora now, chat. We are 2 hours in. Should I watch Fedora? Should I install Fedora, chat? I don't feel like it. I start to be a little bit low energy. So let's check. What type of performance we had on Fedora? Out of the box. Come on, dude. Yes. Hey, hello, Peanut. Yeah, you see, on the Fedora base, you will have a minimum of 234 here. Okay? 234. Here we go. So it's the same driver, not actually the same, because here it's 67 and there it's 78. But it's 234. Fedora base kernel. So, is Fedora on Wayland? No, it's on X11. Everything, all the tests you see them are on X11. I just moved to Wayland like last week, and only with the latest driver, and none of the tests I made on my Wayland distro, you know, like nothing has been really published. It's just me talking about it. Those are all tests made earlier. So here, another point to, another like proof to prove my point is like here we are at 234 FPS. So percentage calculator. So for science, and chat. So Fedora 40 base. Okay, this is I think where you want to go, and we're gonna go there. I'm just gonna do Shadow of the Tomb Raider because who cares about Cyberpunk? So Shadow of the Tomb Raider here. We were at average 283, 234. 283, 234, right? 234, 283. Okay, now we're gonna calculate this real quick. What am I doing, dude? This one. Yeah, sure. Okay, minus 503. Okay, minus 503, and on the minimal, minus 15%. Okay, so this, in my opinion, is what should have been done. And this is my point, right? You take the base, you are there. Minus 5% average, but we don't care. Minus 15% on minimal, okay? And this is where I do believe, like, this is not a base type of stuff. So, yeah. That will be my conclusion for this. Is that true? All the bases are the same? No, they are not. Because I remember for Ubuntu, we had almost the same result as this one. Like, almost the same result as this one for the base Ubuntu. Okay, so then it's more like X versus Y type of approach. I only pre-tested pre-555 and it was kind of a mess. Hello Sharika, how are you doing? Surprised with the low on Fedora compared to the other. I know. After maybe it was at this instant T, right? Maybe, I don't know. That's the number we found together, right? I'm not... That's the number from... Yeah. Our test. Yes. So you have it, chat. Again, it's not for adding a new layer on everything. It's just to share my vision and with the number. I think overall, like, Tuxedo is fun. But yeah, I will just install that distro if I'm running a Tuxedo computer. Right. They have like the special profile. They have this special like control center here. They have their own stuff. Right? Which is fine. I think we covered everything, chat. Oh, dude. So what are we gonna do next? I have some stuff planned. We're gonna have to do... I have a nice video like coming. No spoil, but I think I'm gonna do it this week. I think it's gonna be fun. And yeah, that's all. Next week, I don't know what we're gonna do, chat. I don't know what distro we're gonna try. Maybe we're gonna try MX Linux. What do you think about trying MX Linux? That could be a fun one, because it's always number one of distro watch, and it's one like I kept under the end for a long time. Could be a nice one. But yeah, this is what we're gonna do, chat. Wednesday stream, if I can, okay, if I can. I've been sick like on Saturday night and Sunday. I went to the hospital Sunday night. I made the video react on Tuesday. I did other stuff, so yes. I think I did 2 videos. I don't even remember, dude. I have to tell you, I really like that you express your disagreement with Nick with such a respect. Yeah. Appreciate it, buddy. You know, I think it's really hard for content creator to discuss. Because what I did first, I went on Twitter, and then I went on his Discord, and he was not there, so I was like, maybe I'm gonna make a video. And that's why I was like, what type of video I'm going to make? I could have done this video, like the video we just did there. Right? Record it and say, okay, this is my result. And you can see like with number. Like on these 3 games, that's the result we have. Okay? To support the argument I put. But I didn't want to be too harsh. So I was just trying to, you know, have a discussion more than, you know, trying to destroy someone, because it's not my goal. I wouldn't gain anything to trying to or destroy like X or Y. Like it doesn't work this way. So that's what I tried to do, but yeah. Yep. That's all, chat. I think we covered everything. I'm trying to think if I forget something, chat. What did I forget? So, wait. Something I didn't check. So they have everything for gaming. What about OBS? Just to see. Should be working, chat. Oh, you can get it from Flatpak or Ubuntu. Let's see the version they have. Have you seen his last video about Linux problem? No, I didn't have time, dude. Sound card should be good. I think they are running Pipewire. Let me check. Good point there. Yeah, they have Pipewire. Yeah, so no issues there. OBS. See what version of OBS they have. Uh-oh, they don't have the browser in it. Oh, dude. Yeah, they don't have the browser in it. It's kind of make it useless for the content creator like me. The heck is this? Wait. Dude, this is the version 27. Hey, see you, Joseph. Thank you very much again for the donation, dude. Much appreciated. Have a good one. So yeah, it looks like it's a little bit old. So this will be the result of having a Ubuntu Jammy Universe type of package. Like those are really old, chat. So you're gonna have to go Flatpak. You're gonna have to go Flatpak, chat. Oh man, this is what we could do. Okay, give me 1 second, chat. I got an IG. Chat. Ooh, just got an ID. Thanks for watching, dude. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna remove and purge Steam. Because maybe this could be the problem. So we're gonna remove it and I'm gonna install it through Flatpak. Install Windows. Bro. Flatpak. Dude, Flatpak Steam installation coming strong. Okay? He's installing it right now. Watch this, is downloading it and everything. Remember, oh yeah, to give Flatpak permission to your gaming drive. Yep. Okay, give me 1 second, dude. Sorry, chat. I'm a little bit low on energy. Sorry about that. But like, yeah. You know, we could do stupid with Tuxedo. But I don't want to do stupid, okay, chat? I like to do stupid, but I don't want to do stupid. Maybe one day Tuxedo is gonna send me a nice computer for me to review. One day, maybe. We don't know, chat. So, if I do too stupid, it's like... it's gonna be like, I don't trust this guy. I think he's doing way too stupid. I don't trust him, you know what I mean? He's gonna destroy our hardware. Could be great to have full AMD stuff, but why, Mr. B? Okay, I know what you mean. So to do some testing and comparison with NVIDIA, okay, I know. Because you know now, as an NVIDIA user, and with the latest driver, I don't feel any like FOMO, you know, fear of missing out. I don't feel like I'm missing something now. Because Wayland run perfectly. All the encoding work perfectly. It's awesome, dude. So this fear of missing out, being like, oh, I need an AMD GPU. Like, why would I need one? You know, maybe having, oh yeah. You know why I would I love one? I would love to run Alpine as a daily driver, dude. This, I would love to do, dude. Like, do a little challenge of like 1 week. Alpine as a daily driver. I will crush it. I will crush it. It would be so fun. I love Alpine Linux. Don't know if you heard about it. It's a really minimalistic, rolling edge distro, dude. It's awesome. I kind of know how to navigate through it. I love it, chat. But the issue is that they don't support GCC, which means that my driver on NVIDIA do not work. So I read there is some type of like translation packages that let you use GCC application, but I don't know if it's gonna work with the driver. You know, Alpine in Docker. No, you can install Alpine or Alpine on any hardware, dude. Yeah, Docker use it, but you can install it like on a hardware, no problem, dude. Yeah, it run on OpenRC, and lately, like I don't know if you heard about the 3. I think it's 20 or 21 release. They had like the way they package their packages now is really great because you have now OpenRC package at the end of the package you want to install, so make it way easier than before. Before, dude, you had to be solid to use it. And now I think it's kind of like easier. They make it easier, which is fine, huh? Alpine in the Docker as a challenge. Yeah, I don't know if it would work, buddy, but just doing Alpine as a main distro and doing whatever I'm actually doing every day, that will be a great challenge, dude. Like a great challenge. All right, chat. Same player, play again, dude. I don't know why. I feel like it's gonna work. I feel like it's gonna work, chat. So, okay, I'm installing Flatpak right now. We're gonna give permission to my external hard drive. Like just installing Alpine is, I would say, is not for everyone. So I know some of you on chat are gonna be like, oh yeah, no problem. No problem. Yeah, of course, no problem. But still, like, okay, so I did the path there in Flatseal. I'm restarting Steam. And we will know. We will know if it's gonna work, chat. Oh wait, I need to add that. Give me 1 second, chat. It doesn't see it. So what did I do wrong with Flatseal now? Chat. So guys, this is where you add it, just to make sure. Oh no, you have to go on Steam. Oh la 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 la, Air Max, what are you doing, dude? Like, what are you doing, Broskito? That's why it doesn't work. Okay, so you have to go on the little Steam stuff. It's my fault. Have you used Alpine APK? Oh yeah. Like, I use Alpine, like, I wouldn't say almost every day, but I used it a lot. I love Alpine, dude. That's one of those distro, a little bit like Void, right? Which are really particular and which I really appreciate. Like, you see, like, saying like I use Alpine, by the way, it's another level, chat. So that could be the reason why I would love to get one of those AMG cards. Bro, Flatseal is really mistreating me right now, dude. So I'm doing something wrong, dude. With a Flatseal, and I'm not a professional of Flatseal. I never use this thing. So I'm definitively doing something funky here. All right, another try. Sorry, chat. Sorry, chat. I let you down. Where is it? Oh, okay, now it's working. Yes, we did it, dude. We did it. So now it's working. What do you think? What do you think? Is it going to solve our issue? Because if it solves our issue, it means we have an issue related to Steam packages in Tuxedo. Hello there, thanks for this stream. I listened to it while being stuck in traffic jam. Thank you, Conradson. Don't think it's gonna work, dude. Darn. Yeah, there is something going on. I don't know what. No, I didn't touch anything here. This is a great opportunity to test if there is a noticeable difference between native Steam and Flatpak Steam, but it does not work. So what is the conclusion? Like, there is no difference at all? You know what? Maybe it's related to the fact there is not enough space on the hard drive. It could be that to chat. Now I'm thinking about it. Trying to compile, but I didn't have the problem on the other distro, so no, it's not that. It's not that, dude. It's not that. Just... Yeah, well, we tried, boys. Okay, we tried. I was one of my IGs that just come out. I was like, oh, maybe. Yeah, I was hoping the same. This is 2 GB. Let's remove this one. We can install it in 5 minutes anyways. See if like making space change something. I'm pretty sure it's not, but it could be the maps count. Now, what happened with the max map count? I'm telling you what happened. When you do the map max count and it's too low, what happened is like the game works, and at a certain point it will freeze your computer, like totally freeze. So you get black screen, or your image is gonna get stuck like that. But it doesn't do that. Like, this is something else. Okay, so here what I did, I just gave a little bit more space on the hard drive. Because maybe it's trying to compile the shader, but there is no more space, and no. Okay, I give up, chat. I'm out. I am out. Something in the optimization, maybe in their kernel that block with my hardware, could be that. Yeah, it could be so many things, chat. Could be so many things. Okay, so here we are. This is the end of the stream. I think we covered the point. Tuxedo, would I recommend Tuxedo? I say I will not recommend Tuxedo if you don't have the hardware from Tuxedo. Like, long story short, it seems like a decent implementation of Ubuntu base plus nice installer plus nice installation of the driver from NVIDIA at least. Yes, that's all. It's just a Ubuntu LTS Jamie under the hood with a heavily custom kernel. That's what it is. And, you know, a stack of software from Tuxedo for their own hardware. So yes, for Tuxedo hardware. For gaming, Overwatch didn't, like, I couldn't launch it properly for whatever reason. We tried Steam, we tried Steam Flatpak, we tried different version of Proton, didn't work. In terms of pure performance versus a distro like CachyOS, we were between 17% and 3% lower than Cachy all the time. So that's something to take in consideration. And yeah, that's all. I will be the conclusion for Tuxedo. I'm gonna make a video about it. And yeah, that's all I have to say, chat. I'm out. I think I really wish you a great weekend. I think I'm gonna close this, you know, debate between optimized and non-optimized. I think I made my point here. There is a difference, and I believe that it depends on the end user to choose if this difference is valid or not. And I'm gonna close this subject. I don't think I'm gonna put it back again on the thing, like talking about that, because I don't think I want to talk about it anymore. I'm still open to discuss it with Nick if you want to discuss it. If he doesn't want to discuss it for whatever reason, that's okay too. Like, no problem on my hand. But I just wanted you guys to, you know, see it from my perspective with a number and with this specific distro too. Thanks very much for watching. See you on the next one. Guys, again, I'm going to repeat it. Thank you for all the generous donation today. This was crazy. And thank you also for watching, giving a thumb up. Like, please give the thumb up to this video. And see you in the next one. Have a great rest of your day. Thanks again. And as we say over there, bisous, bisous. Man, this bisou came out really oddly. That was a good one. Okay. Thanks for watching again. Take care.